In my opinion, the best accessory a guy can own is definitely a watch. Watches are more than accessory, but when it comes to rocking watches, I see plenty of guys making mistakes. Sometimes they rock a big grenade, or sometimes they rock a watch that's too classy and it doesn't even match the outfit. We don't want to do any of these mistakes. I'm going to help you figure out how to properly wear your watches and of course how to improve your watch game. If that sounds interesting, subscribe. And of course, let's dive in. You need to know when to wear a certain type of watch. So firstly on the list is gonna be a dress watch. Now this here, you're gonna be wearing it with your formal outfits or formal occasions. This can be your graduation, wedding, business meeting, black tie event, you name it. This will look great with a suit or well dressed up outfit. Now with a dress watch, keep it minimal and it has to look sophisticated. This means that you're gonna need neutral colors. Go for navy, black, brown. This will never let you down. Remember, with your dress watch, it should never overtake the outfit, but it should complement the outfit. Now next, I'm gonna be talking about a sport watch. These here are gonna help you out if you're doing a lot of activities, such as hiking or performing in sports. Now you wear these with some of your casual outfits. Personally, I always wear this with my tracksuits and whenever I'm out and about and I'm wearing something that's really casual. But most of the time you see me wearing this in the gym. And of course, check out a diver watch. A diver watch is gonna make you stand out because they're gonna shine. Of course, the dials are gonna be bigger. Everything about it is just to make a statement piece. These are gonna look great with some of your casual items. And definitely trust me, when I see a diver watch, I know that this guy here is looking to make a big statement. So why not check them out? Now next, let's talk about the fit and the size of the watch. This here is very important. If you pick the perfect watch for a certain occasion and you look amazing, but then the case diameter of the watch or the watch in general just looks too bulky and you have small wrists, this here just screams out, guys, I don't really know what I'm doing here. Just remember this simple rule. The bigger your wrist, the bigger the watch should be. Now, I often see guys which have small wrists like myself, they wanna wear the big watches and next thing it looks like a hand grenade or the watch is like slipping down. This makes you look sloppy, even though you picked the perfect watch for that occasion. So when you measure your wrist and then you see that your wrist is 6 to 6.5 inches, then you have a small wrist, then you should be going for 38mm to 40mm case diameter. Next, now in the middle range, if your wrist is from 6.5 to 7, then you should be aiming for a 40 to 42mm case diameter watch. And then of course, if your wrist is 7 inches and above, then of course you'll be going for 42 to 46mm case diameter. Now next, let's talk about the watch thickness. If you're wearing a dress-up watch, the thickness here should be 6 to 10mm, and if you're wearing a sport watch or diver's watch, then you want something that's a little bit more thicker. Go for 12mm to 16mm in terms of thickness. Now next, let's talk about the watch straps. Your watch should be fitting you perfectly. I see you, especially you watching this video, dangling your watch up and down, thinking it makes you look cool. It makes you look like a clown, bro. This does not look wow. Now with your leather straps, make sure that your strap fits you nice and snug. You should not be able to put a finger there and it's able to go through. No, that means it's too loose. And then of course your stainless steel watches, make sure that the links are adjustable and of course it's not moving throughout the day. If you're wearing a gold watch, that means that the rest of the accessories have to be of course gold. If I'm wearing a silver watch, I always wear a silver necklace. Make sure you're matching your metals. Why am I saying this? This just makes the outfit look a lot more better and well put together. If you're wearing a brown leather watch, then make sure that the rest of your accessories are also brown. Same thing with black. Next, now let's talk about wearing your watch on your non-dominant hand. So I write with my right. That means that my watch is gonna go on my left hand. If you write with your left, that means that your watch is gonna go on your right hand. Now, if I see you wearing your bracelets with your watches, you're just doing too much. In my opinion, it's either you pick a watch or you pick a bracelet. The watch should not be overwhelmed or overswallowed by your cuffs. Your watch should be obviously standing out and you should be showing this as a power move because a watch is gonna symbolize value. How should you be taking care of your watches? Pretty simple. In a cool, dry place, don't be going into the water with your watches unless it's a water resistant watch. Makes sense. And then of course you need a nice cloth and you should be cleaning your watches regularly. I do this as well. So that's it for the video. And remember that when it comes to watches, quality over quantity. I'd rather you spending good quality money on something that you know is going to give you value and something that's going to last a lifetime, in my opinion, than buying cheap watches and then you're replacing them regularly. I used to do that. Hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what's your favorite watch, what kind of watches are you into, and then this will tell me the kind of guy that you are. So appreciate the support. I will see you on the next video.